So this is Jocotenango in Guatemala. It's about less than 3 miles from wonderful Antigua. And this is the inside of a room at a local high school where we're doing a talk with Andrea Norman. And this is how people are living since the Agatha, the tropical storm that came through Guatemala in June of last year. So these people have been living here since June of 2009. So the school's been putting them up because they lost their homes in the Jocotenango area, specifically in the Vista Hermosa area. So it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, there's 8 families and a number of single beds, so there's probably about 30 people living in this room, and this is since last June. For more information about the work we do here in Guatemala, see integralheartfoundation.org, integralheartfoundation.org.